Let's bring in our legal guys. Avery Friedman, a civil rights attorney and law professor in Cleveland, Ohio, and Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense lawyer and a professor, joins us from Las Vegas. So I want to start with you, Richard. The Supreme Court had choices of cases it could take here, and it decided to take these two, DOMA and Proposition 8. Why do you think they decided to take these and not the others?
Joe, you know, after this election, this issue is so ripe for the Supreme Court. The jurisdictions are so split in their laws. Many states recognizing same-sex marriage and performing same-sex marriages. Some states not recognizing them. This is the perfect scenario for the Supreme Court to step in and ultimately make a ruling. There are over 1,000 cases, Joe, in which federal laws are impacted by marital status. The time has come. Sure. It's ripe. Prop 8 was right there sitting on the doorstep for the Supreme Court, and here we go.
Another question here is whether either of these cases being decided will actually settle it, or whether other same-sex cases are coming down the pike will still need the court's attention. Richard?
No, Joe, this is going to be the ultimate definitive determination on whether or not the federal government recognizes a marital union between a man and another man, or a woman and another woman. This is going to be the determination on the federal law and set it straight.
Richard, do you think there's a possibility, though, that the court can decide at least the Defense of Marriage Act case without reaching the constitutional question and just sort of talk about the benefits that people get or don't get, depending on whether they're same-sex or not?
This is an answer the American people want. The Supreme Court recognizes that, and they are going to make a ruling on it. This Roberts Court will ultimately decide this.
All right, hang on, guys.